Raila has been my husband for the last 52 years.
Miaka 52 mihituku riria Raila Odinga acemanirie na mwendwa wake MUTIGAIRE Raila Odinga ehitite kaimana kwaga gukahikira muteti no wendo waingira ngoro o niguo ekorire kihiko-ini na umwe wa ateti marigato na urumiriri munene guku bururi-ini. AGICAKAYA muthuriwe hindi igongona ria mathikorire ritafanirio mucii kwao mwena wa Bondo kaunti-ini ya Siaya. IDAH ATARIIRIE ati miaka ino yothe gutiagite miambato na miikuruko ona kuhanora uguo, akiuga angiheo kanya kangi o uyu nowe agicagura gutuika rufaru rwake.
Like all the couples and families, we also had our ups and downs. But we've learned one thing, and that is we must talk straight to one another. We must forgive and move on.
Thengia ya gukorwo arari mundu wa mihang'o mingi guku bururi-ini ona nja ya bururi. Odinga ni mundu urari na ndugu ya hakuhi muno na mutumia wake, ciana ciake ona aria maciaranirwo.
I know most of the time we used to say Raila is more of public life, political life, than he is for family life. But every time he came, he gave us what we deserved. I remember he attends to each one of us individually according to our needs. And that is not only his children and grandchildren, but also to his brothers and sisters.
Ona thengia ya gukorwo matauma na ciugo nyingi, ciana cia Odinga ni ciiraheire gwitanio nake makigweta mamwe ma maundu maria arendete.
Our father was someone who believed in us as individuals. As many who have spoken ahead and those who will speak after will let you know. And that is why today we have friends from all over. Our father listened keenly to what we had to say individually, after which he helped us sharpen our ideas.
For Baba, you gave all of us your life. You stayed with us and you showed us how to live a good life. And for that, we are extremely thankful. Erokamano Baba.
Thank you, Kenya. God bless you all. God bless the Republic. God bless Baba's legacy. Long, the king is dead, but long live the crown.
Otaguo na waria maciaranirwo nake o mundu agicokia maitho thutha miaka-ini ya unini wao.
I have been there. In 1982, some of you don't know, you only see me in this siasa. I'm the one of the first women who was said that I was with my brother as he was picked to go to detention. I was forced by the society to be one of the first women exilees.
I would like to now say bye-bye to my brother, bye-bye my best friend, bye-bye my confidant, bye-bye my everything, my advisor. And I would want to ask God the Almighty to put your soul in peace, and please greet for us our people who went before you.
Raila Odinga ahurukire muthi wa gatatu kiumia giki ari na ukuru wa miaka 80. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.